Sometimes you do choose a photo for your profile picture on LinkedIn or Instagram or any type of social media you are using, but you don't know this is a really good picture or not. Maybe you want to ask your family or your friends to find this answer, but that's not a really good way because they don't want to make you disappointed. But if you want to know what real people are thinking about your photo in real world, you have to use Photofeeler.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Photofeeler to find your answer as fast as you can. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we have to go to Photofeeler.com, and here we have a kind of website that we can upload our business, social and dating photos, and we can find out what real people are thinking about our photos. But how does it work? First, we have to sign up. Click on sign up, and you have to sign up with your Facebook account or with your LinkedIn account. After signing up, you have a profile like this, and you have two ways to start your test. First one is credits. Credits is a kind of way you have to pay for your votes. That's not a really free way. But second one is karma. Karma is a kind of way that you can use Photofeeler completely for free. But to get karma, you have to vote for other photos. For instance, you have to go to Vote tab, Social Photos, and here we have a photo, and you have to vote for that. For instance, in my view, this photo is confident, is authentic, and fun. And here you can leave a note for that person, and after that you can click on Submit Vote. As you can see, I can improve my karma just by voting, and that's a really good way to use Photofeeler for free. After getting enough karma, you have to go to My Tests and start your test. To start your test, you have to click on New Test, and here you can see you can import from your Facebook or LinkedIn, and also you can upload from your computer. For instance, I'm going to upload my photo from my computer, and this is my photo. After uploading and choosing, you have to choose a category for your photo. This photo is for social, and I'm going to click on Next. And this is for how many people in this photo you want to test. I just want for myself, and I'm gonna click on one and Next. Okay, here if you have enough karma, you can click on Karma Test, and as you can see, this is completely free, and it takes 1 to 2 days. And if you want to buy credits, you can buy some credits, as you can see, and after 1 or 2 days you can see something like that. I did a test for myself for this photo, and I got 104 votes. And as you can see, I have, for instance, likable 6.2 from 0 to 10, and here I have data. Data is a tab you can see how many people voted for you and how many voted, for instance, for yes or for very or something like that in this tab. And also on Notes tab, you can see people advice about your photo. As you can see, greatest smile background is a bit bright, and greatest smile or something like that. And this is exactly what you got from real people. And that's it. Okay, you can use for yourself. And if you have a problem in this process, don't hesitate to comment below.